Okay, we're going to City Mall to buy some ingredient and foods to use that oven for the first time. Let's go!
What you are preparing, boss? You're going to cook.
Yeah, there's no mozzarella, so we just take some hidden tasty cheese. Okay, for now. Now, I just put some tomato here. Spread. I'm going to put a bit more. This Italian tomato. This is my first time I do pizza, okay guys, so don't criticize me, I have no bloody clue how to make them. I'm just improvising. I'm learning. It's from Seven More. There's 2 pieces.
You thick.
So, yeah, here's the one here. 2 pieces. Brilliant, perfect. So we're gonna do 2 pizza. 1.5 for lunch and half for evening or for tomorrow morning. It's okay. Now, is that enough tomato sauce? What do you think, baby?
It's good.
You haven't done any pizza before too, huh? Let's put a bit more. Nothing wrong with tomato sauce.
I never cooked pizza.
Okay.
Before, I just
Now,
eat.
what I will do is I will put a little bit of cheese, so whatever we put on top, it will stick. But this cheese is really, really sticky, so bad.
You put more. It's good.
You know, look, big chunk. Yeah, no good, huh? No good. I think we have
should
to
directly.
You have to shred directly, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, but see, we're learning. We're learning, so what we're going to do is shred a bit more.
Direct here.
Yeah, that's the way to go. Doesn't matter if it's too much cheese, who cares? But this cheese is not the right one. Okay, this is all just about finished. We'll just maybe put a little bit more cheese on top, perhaps. This is for JM. She loves pineapple, so it's a big chunk of pineapple. But for mine, just a little thin stripes of pineapple, it's enough. You don't want to overdo, but we're all different. Okay, so let's put it in the oven.
Cheese.
Yeah, a bit more cheese. Okay, the oven's preheating here, so I got no idea what temperature, how long. It's smoking everywhere. Let's bring it down. There's no pepper, cardboard, nothing, no. Lucky we don't have a fire alarm here. It would have gone off for sure. Okay, both pizza are right. Mine is on the right and JM on the left. So JM start first. Okay guys, it's cooking. It's there halfway through in height in the oven. And we got what, 160 or more for now. Got the timer on, but doesn't matter the timer. We just keep an eye while this thing is cooking. Hey, learning.
Oh.
You heard a scream? Somebody dropped something. Okay, it's cooking. I'm here to keep an eye.
Yeah. Can you
What's
please?
up, baby? What's up?
Oh, finish your snack so you can relax. You're so excited. Yeah, you give me tension.
Is she cute? Spend money to get quality stuff. Look at the plate. Oh dear. Anyway. First time ever, my first pizza. I might open a pizza business here if it goes well. Okay. It's cooking, almost ready. Okay, let's have a quick look. Oh, this looking good. Woohoo! I think it's ready. What do you think, guys? This is ready, isn't it? Eh? This is beautiful. You try. Okay.
Wait.
Happy?
Yeah.
I'm keep eating. Okay, so here's the Hawaiian done. Tomato sauce, cheese, a little bit of Italian herbs, ham, and pineapple. Beautiful. Put it here. Yep. Okay, put this one now in the oven. You open the door and let's cook the other one. I think 150 will be enough. It's cooked underneath too, huh? Nicely cooked. Nice, yeah. So how does it taste nice?
Simple yet
Simple?
delicious, yeah.
Ah, did you hear that? Simple yet delicious. Yeah. I always go along with make things a little bit more complicated for now. I think our first pizza is pretty good. We're happy. Okay, so I think we're happy with our first pizza. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. We'll see what we do next time with the oven. How is it? You enjoy, huh? Okay, we did the right thing.
Not bad for a first timer.
Yeah. Okay, dish number 2 with this
This is
gratin de pâte au thon avec une sauce blanche. So I hope you can understand French. Okay, it's a finished product. What do you think? You like it? You jealous?
I think so. No, I'm not jealous. We're talking about.
What is it?
Maybe I will like that.
Maybe you won't like it, yeah. But I'm sure you will. Okay.
Looks like an omelette.
We'll have a go at it and then we'll let you know. Honestly. Oh, and by the way, it's got kiwi butter there as well. Anyway, I'll put a list of the ingredients then. Okay, when I did the gratin, there was some pasta left over, so
Yeah.
beautiful jam here. Decided to do a dessert with it. That looks pretty interesting. So what do you got there? Cream,
Cream.
jelly,
Fruits.
pasta, of course. Are you gonna add some
I add fruits.
ube ice cream?
Since we don't have the fruit cocktail.
Couple of spoon
in
maybe?
can,
I don't know.
I
She
put
breads it to that?
Slices of papaya, apples,
Okay.
pineapple chunks, and
Uh-huh.
then the jellies.
And you're gonna make like an ice cream?
Yep.
Ooh.
We'll
I'm
add
on that, guys, but
Wait. Where's the? Oh,
yeah, this one.
this royal.
You want me to get some for you? Must be pretty hard there.
This is our own personalized ice cream. Dessert.
This is unique, guys. This is special.
We'll have the right
We're gonna put some
spoon.
ube ice cream, pure ube to mix.
Ube.
Ube. Oh, sorry, ube. Excuse my accent.
It's okay.
Yummy.
Oh.
I'm smaller now.
Oh. It's all a bit violet now.
Nice hairstyle. I love it. Ooh, that's look interesting.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna love it
And I add the
because I love this ube
berries.
thing.
Berries, red berries.
Mmm, yummy. We're gonna get fat. With this and this, we haven't touched yet. That's for tomorrow. I'm on diet. I'm not gonna eat now. It's what time is it? 6:30 p.m. I haven't eaten since 4 p.m. Just drink water. I need to lose weight.
Just a little bit.
Yeah,
Just a little bit.
like this.
Oh my god, too
Okay,
big.
the first one is always hard to. Oh, it stays in one piece.
Oh, too
It's
big.
looking good. Okay, baby, you wanna try? Try. Okay, guys, this is the moment of truth. My first gratin.
I can smell tuna.
Can you smell tuna? Okay. She doesn't
Nice.
like it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Nice? Really? You love it?
Yeah.
Thank you. There you are.
Very nice.
One more success. Whew, I'm happy. First ever. First time ever. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next video. Stay safe. God bless you all.
Bye.